Hi, I'm the new PhD. Oh, sorry. Hi, my name is Bo Shendong. I'm the new postdoc in our group, and I'm majoring in additive manufacturing. In the future, I'm gonna to check the hydrogen brittle in the additive manufactured alloys. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ray. I'm from Taiwan, and I'm a new PhD student in UCIT, which I am going to focus on the study of hydrogen storage by magnesium. And magnesium is one of the appealing materials for the future hydrogen storage. So in this center, we're going to use some microscope to dig into the microstructure of magnesium and see what causes the irreversible process of magnesium. So that's what I'm going to do in the future.
Hello, my name is Ashud, and I also come from Taiwan, and I'm also the first year PhD student. And my PhD topic is about the next generation fossil dating, using the APT, which is advanced techniques you can use in that kind of techniques to have a precise 3D mapping, which is no one do it before. So very exciting.
So my name is Min, and I'm a new PhD student in UCIT, and I'm going to work on the hydrogen storage, especially about the welding part. And in the future, I'm going to focus on using neutron scattering to know more about the information about the hydrogen inside the welding part.